My name is Beau Derrick, and I'm a New York City-based makeup artist. I started getting into makeup at a very young age. I would say around 13 or 14. I was just so enthused and so intrigued by everything that was beautiful around me. It actually started out with me having like a messed up haircut, and I took an eyeliner and filled in some patches, and the rest has been history. Glamcore for me has been a lifesaver. The lights are extremely portable and it's quick to set up. It's just the basics that I need and it gets the job done. The thing that I love most is interacting with my clients and really just investigating and listening to their visions for their beauty, and me being able to bring that forth into fruition for them. That really makes me happy when the client or my friends are happy. My name is Beau Derrick and lighting is everything.